Stop the stain.
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 Stop the stain. In August, a federal judge found that the New York Police Department has, for more than a decade, engaged in a widespread and persistent practice of racially discriminatory and unconstitutional stop and frisk. What the judge ordered, she said, I want the police department, the plaintiffs, and all of the stakeholders, particularly the communities most affected by this practice, to engage in a dialogue to figure out how to stop unconstitutional stops from happening in the future. The City of New York has said that engaging in such a dialogue will cause them irreparable harm. Putting this dialogue on hold will be harmful to public safety, will be harmful to justice, and will be harmful to the communities most impacted by this unconstitutional practice.
In 3 years, I have been stopped and frisked 6 times. In my hallway in Washington Heights, I've been frisked in Bed-Stuy. I've been searched in Marcus Garvey Park in Harlem. This is an outrage, and it is outrageous when the mayor repeatedly obstructs progress and blocks an unprecedented opportunity to engage in dialogue with the community.
What the judge is saying is have a discussion with the community, which is what we've been asking for how many years now. And if that had happened before, we wouldn't have had any bills in the city council. We probably wouldn't have had a judge's ruling. But he refused to do it then, and he's refusing to do it now. Stop the say basically stops the foolishness now. Stop the BS. Every place you look in New York City, from the voters to the city council to the federal judge, has said what you've been doing is wrong. Let's right the ship.